Opportunities are everywhere, but winning them takes strategy. Welcome to brainTerms.ai, your always-on AI strategic agents that helps you to explore, define, and pilot strategies before investing a cent. Follow this short introduction to understand how to use our platform. When you first arrive, you'll be asked to sign up, or sign in if you're a returning user. If you already know the company you're innovating for, we highly recommend entering your company name and website during setup. If you're on a paid plan, you'll then be able to either create a new project or continue working on an existing one. brainTerms.ai orchestrates a powerful set of strategic AI agents. But what are AI agents exactly? AI agents are specialized virtual assistants, experts, powered by artificial intelligence. Each one is designed to perform a specific strategic task, like analyzing your market, exploring innovation opportunities, optimizing your business model, or building a go-to-market plan. They don't just give answers. They can think with you, guide your decision-making, and help you move forward with clarity and confidence. The experts available to you are constantly evolving. The current team is composed of business development lead, communication lead, brand strategist, go-to-market strategist, strategic finance lead, and more. The current version starts by helping you elaborate your idea. To begin, click on the green Innovation Coach AI Agents to launch your AI session and make sure to go all the way through to the end for the best results. For security and privacy reasons, we never store your entire conversation, but only the data that you decide to save. You are in full control. Each time that you save information, this increases the knowledge of your own project. Behind the scenes, our AI agents collaborate with each other, but only using the business context that you explicitly choose to include. You stay in control. In your favorites, you can manage all your saved discussions. You can switch the ones to include in your business context by clicking on the green arrow. You can delete your favorites, review it, or even pick up your AI expert session right where you left off. Our AI agents will launch and orchestrate each other's. They will tell you when they are ready to provide results. Your price plan will give you access to different functionalities. There are multiple places where you will be reminded about your plan and the opportunity to upgrade or downgrade. Your profile page shows your AI consumption, your profile settings, and access to your invoice. Feedback is important. Each page allows you to leave us comments as often as needed. Startups can now perfect their go-to-market strategy and tune their product-market fit with the expertise they need. Product leaders have now clear insights on what customers want before launching. Corporate executive accelerates internal decision-making, bypassing months of delays. We provide instant AI-powered decision-making, smooth and secured. brainTerms.ai, your AI-powered strategy and business architect. Designed by experts, built for success.